Today, we'll use the AI features in CorelDraw 2026 to generate 6 different logo concepts for a vegetarian restaurant, then select the best one and test it on various mockups to see how it looks in real-world applications. First, click on AI Generate, then select Create Image. Make sure that the Create Image option is active. Now, type your prompt into the prompt box. If you already have a prepared prompt, simply paste it here. You'll also find the same prompt in the video description. Next, choose the aspect ratio. I'm selecting landscape. After that, choose your AI model. In this tutorial, I'm using Nano Banana Pro. Now, click the Generate button. Within a few moments, the AI will generate 6 unique logo design concepts for you. Once the client selects a logo, they may want to see how it looks on different products as realistic mockups, such as a coffee mug, menu card, and apron. To do that, first select the approved logo. Then click Remix Image, followed by Advanced Documents. Now we'll use the selected logo to generate mockups. Enter your prompt in the prompt box, or paste the pre-written prompt if you already have one. You'll also find this prompt in the video description. Next, select the AI model, and then click the Generate button. In just a few moments, the AI will create realistic mockups with your logo professionally applied to different objects. That's how you can use the new AI tools in CorelDraw 2026 to work more professionally while saving a significant amount of time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this.